Hi guys, back again with a daily maths challenge. Just to get your brains going, get your brains warmed up. So today on our maths journey, we are going to start here. We're going to start with 2,785. So I want you to write down 2,785, and I'll stop saying 2,785. Then what you're going to do is you're going to divide it by 100. Now remember your place value of that. Remember to move the decimal point. Look at how many zeros there are. Remember, it's not the decimal point that moves, it's the numbers, but for our sake we're going to be moving the decimal point. Then what you're going to do is whatever you find when you've got 2,785 and you've divided by 100, whatever your answer you've got, you're going to add 298. So you're going to add 298. Remember, if you need to put an invisible zero, a decimal point and an invisible zero to add those together, that's fine. It doesn't matter which number goes at the top, which number goes at the bottom, because we know that 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 are exactly the same answer, and the answer is exactly. So once you've found out what the answer to that is, so once you've taken this, divided it by 100 and added this, you are then going to multiply it by 7. Remember, you can set it out using the grid method. So you can set it out using the grid method, and if you've got a decimal point, make sure you are putting your decimal point in the same place in your answer as well, underneath where you have got your equal sign. So you've got your two lines, make sure your decimal point is in line. Once you've done that, then you are going to set out another sum, and you're going to subtract 77.05. Remember, it's not 77.5, so if you've done a bit wrong and you've got the answer wrong at the end, it's not 77.5, it's 77.05. So please remember your place value. Now, if you've made it this far, your next thing to do is do 70 times 70. Remember, if you want to take the zeros off, remember to put them back on afterwards. So we know, use our known facts. We know what 7 times 7 is. We know what 7 times 70 is. So we should know what 70 times 70 is. I'm going to pause for a moment. You're going to pause to work it out, and then we'll get on with the answers. So we started with our 2,785, and when we divided by 100, we moved it 2 decimal places because there are 2 zeros there. So 2 decimal places, 27.85. Then we're going to add 298, which gives us 325.85. Then what we're going to do, we're going to multiply it by 7. So we've set it out in our column method, and we ended up with 2,280.95. If you got that bit wrong, go back and have a look. Make sure your decimals are in line with each other. Then we're going to subtract 77.05. So when we're subtracting the 77.05, obviously the 05 bit comes off there, and it just makes 0.9, and our complete answer there is 2,203.9. And then when we add 70 times 70, so 7 times 7 is 49, 7 times 70 is 490, so we're adding 4,900, which gives us 7,103.9. If you got any of those steps wrong, go back, go over, see if you can figure out where you got it wrong, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another amazing maths challenge. Amazing-ish. Okay, bye.